Alright, so let's move on to the second part of sales, which is quote and order creation. So, well, one thing I forgot to cover about and its creation here is that you don't always have to go through lead and prospect to get a customer. You can always do a new customer creation, which is exactly the same as the previous steps and process of an ad creation I've just introduced. So to start with quote and order creation, I will make an example of order creation in here. Well, first I want to cover that once you've generated a quote, you can always convert a quote to an order. So for this time, I will start with a new order. And to do this, once you click the arrow down here in new order, this list of customers is going to pop up, and we will use our test customer 0216 as an example. So in here, up here is the information about this PO. So order code we don't have to worry about, and customer PO we don't have to worry about. Payment term, it's gonna be depending on the specific customer. In shipping method, no worries. Location, this is what we want to pay attention to. Which location we want to ship from. So let's say Best Guy Warehouse for this example. And we don't fill anything else in here. And in here is the item information. And we will use WB203 as an example. Alright, so for quantity, this is exactly the quantity that's on the order. So let's put 30 cases, for example. And what's good is that the price is going to be generated on itself, by itself, so we don't have to worry. And notice that the default is 12 per cases. So if in any case we have other case packs for this exactly item, we might have to change it here. But for now, we don't have to worry about this. So another thing is that the availability of this item is going to show up down here as well. So you can see that for Best Guy Warehouse, you have 65 cases in here. So you might not want to enter more than 65 for here. So let's, for example, put 80 in here and click enter. So this notice is going to pop up saying that the quantity entered is greater than the units of stock available. So if you want to do yes, the quantity is going to stay at 80, which you just entered, but allocate, the number of allocation is never going to be greater than stock level. So well, for most of our cases, we never want to put the number more than the free stock we have for now. And let's just say 30 as an example. We'll do save and close. So this order is successfully generated for now. We'll do find order, and the first one here, test lead 0216. Alright, this is the all information of this sales order which we just created. Exactly the same thing.